In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an insightful and visually appealing report using Looker Studio and the native YouTube Analytics connector. If you're looking to effectively track and showcase your YouTube channel's performance, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, we begin by logging into Looker Studio. Once you're in, navigate to the Create button and select Data Source. This step sets the foundation for importing data from your YouTube channel, making it crucial for the rest of the process. Next, you'll be presented with a list of connectors. Among these, look for the native YouTube Analytics connector. Selecting the right connector ensures that the data you pull in is accurate and tailored to your YouTube account, providing the insights you need to make informed decisions. After choosing the YouTube Analytics connector, you will need to authorize access to your Google or YouTube account. This authorization allows Looker Studio to fetch data from your channel or content owner account. Here, you should choose the specific channel or content owner account you intend to analyze. Taking the time to select the correct account aligns your efforts with the right set of data. Once you've completed the authorization, click Connect to establish a link between Looker Studio and your chosen account. This step bridges the data transfer, allowing you to proceed with reviewing dimensions and metrics. Take a moment to go through these fields as they comprise the various data points that will populate your report. Once satisfied, click Add to Report to integrate them seamlessly. As we move forward, let's focus on enhancing the visual appeal of your report. To apply a consistent theme, navigate to Report, then Theme and Layout, and finally, Customize. Here, you have the flexibility to align the report's aesthetics with your brand identity. Consider using your brand colors. For instance, you can use YouTube's iconic red for accents and pair it with neutral backgrounds for a professional and cohesive look. Equally important is structuring your report with clarity. Use text boxes to create clear headings for each section, such as Content Performance. Clearly defined sections help viewers easily navigate through the report, finding the information they need without confusion. Remember to make your layout responsive. Check how your report looks on different devices, such as desktop and mobile. This ensures that your data is accessible and readable, regardless of how viewers choose to engage with it. Lastly, maintain the simplicity and clarity of your visual elements. Keep charts clean by limiting the number of lines and favor simple tables over overcrowded visuals. A clean design not only enhances understanding, but also keeps the focus on the data. By following these steps, you can create a Looker Studio report that's not only informative, but also visually engaging. Thanks for joining me today, and happy reporting.